In the last few minutes, the jury in the sex trafficking trial of the music mogul Sean Diddy Coombs has reached a partial verdict. Our correspondent John Sudworth is in New York. Bring us right up to date, John.
Well, Jane, this is a massive moment in a trial that has lasted 7 weeks, involved more than 30 witnesses, and in the dock, of course, one of the music industry's most iconic and wealthy stars. At the heart of this case is the question about the true nature of a man who was once feted by American society, showered with music industry awards, and given the honorary key to this city just a little more than a year ago. This trial has shown a very different side to him. Abusive, controlling and violent, aspects that the defence have not denied. The big question for the jury, though, is whether that behaviour amounted to a criminal enterprise. At the heart of this case was a video released showing him violently assaulting his then girlfriend, Cassie Ventura, in a hotel room a few years ago after a so-called freak-off. The sex parties that have been so discussed in this case, such a central part which lasted for days, involved large amounts of drugs and baby oil provided by his assistants, and which the prosecution say involved the coercion of people like Cassie Ventura to take part in them. Now, the defence have said that although they do not dispute that Mr. Combs has occasionally behaved very badly, all of those sex acts were consensual. Essentially, they say that domestic violence is not the same as the charges that have been levelled in this case: sex trafficking and racketeering. Now, what we've just heard, Jane, is that the jury has reached a verdict on the sex trafficking charges, but they are yet unable to reach a verdict on racketeering. It looks as if we're not going to hear that partial verdict tonight. They're going to be sent back out. But certainly this is huge news for Mr. Combs and his team. They gathered in court looking very worried about this. He refused a plea deal, don't forget, at the beginning of this trial, betting that the jury would side with him. We are very close to the moment of knowing whether that bet has paid off.
John Sudworth, thank you.